Creating animation videos have never been easier, especially with the explosion of AI tools. Now you can easily create talking animations for YouTube videos.
I finally found you, Lola. So happy to see you.
Online marketing videos.
And that's why you're a perfect fit for this product.
Product marketing videos.
You will not believe just how life-changing this training could be for you.
Kids school explainer or educational purpose videos.
X, Y, Z. Great job learning the alphabets, everyone.
And a lot more.
This is so huge, it will make you speechless.
In this video, I will be showing you guys how easy it is to create talking animations for videos for completely free using just 3 free tools, including a hidden Canva AI, ttsfree.com, and one secret tool I'll be revealing somewhere in the course of the video that will greatly speed up the entire process. So make sure you stick around and let's get started. At this point, you want to head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt, asking it to write a script about a short conversation between a mother and her stubborn son, where he is apologizing to the mom, telling her he won't repeat a particular mistake again, and the mom offers her motherly advice with love and compassion. Now, I kept this prompt simple to make this video as short as possible while still being valuable, but you can easily apply this same process to any kind of videos you choose to generate for whatsoever purposes. And now that our script is done, let's head over to the next step. At this point, you want to head over to ttsfree.com and paste in the scripts from ChatGPT one by one. And you want to select Aria from the TTS Server 2 free voice section. And then you want to hit on the blue Convert Now button. TTS Free is one of the best free text-to-speech voiceover softwares out there with realistic sounding AI voices, as you will soon discover in the video. And after it is done downloading, click on the blue Download Now button to download this into your system and repeat the same step for the rest of the script. And guys, if you want to check out TTS Free, there's a link in the description below. It's completely free, but I suggest that you select Aria or Mitchell as I do the job just right. I promised to show you guys a secret AI website that we're going to be using to boost up the whole process, and here it is. Type in video.ai and click on video.studio on Google, and it should prompt you to the sign up page, which is a pretty straightforward process. Automatically, you have 80 free credits per month per Gmail account. So feel free to create as many Gmail accounts and sign up. And now you want to click on create video, and inside the software you have options to convert from image to video. This will bring your images to life, and you can also reference to video, and also you can create videos from text, which is why we are here. And now at this point, you want to copy your prompt from ChatGPT or just type in what you want the AI to produce for you and hit the create button. Now automatically this software uses 4 credits per creation, and it's going to take some time to generate, and after that you can just confirm and preview the result if it is to your liking. And if it is not, all you want to do is tweak your prompt a little and continue hitting create again until you get your desired result.
Thank you for watching the video.
And after that, if you love your results, hit the upscale button to make the creation HD. And then you want to easily download it into your system and do the same for the rest of the scenes you want to generate. As you can see from my result here, I was trying to generate the scene where the mother stands over her little boy in tears and advises him. And from the results we're seeing, this is perfect. Head over to canva.com with the link in the description. Inside of Canva, click on apps. Now type in Lalamu into the search bar. Click on Lalamu Studio. Now head over to upload video. Select choose file. Choose the suitable video from your PC. Click open. Now go to the upload audio section. Select choose file. Select the audio from your system and click on open. Hit generate lip sync video and give it a moment to create.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Afterwards, take a listen and then drag it into your edit box and adjust to fit the screen. After all this is done, hit share button on the top right corner and click download button to save to your computer. And now to put all this together into something meaningful, open your CapCut app in your desktop, click import and select all your downloaded files into CapCut. Now drag and drop each of the scenes onto your timeline and place them where necessary in such a way that they make meaning. Now at this point, you want to increase the volume of the lip sync video videos to make them more audible. Now head over to YouTube audio library to select a suitable kids music and choose a suitable one from the list, then download into your system. Head back into CapCut and click on the import to import this music into your CapCut video editor. Now you want to drag and drop this music below the videos in your timeline. At this point, you want to head over to the filter section and select Firefly and add this effect over the entire clip on your timeline. And this is our result.
Ooh, David. I worry about you so much. David. Are you all right? It's okay, David. Stop crying. Don't run so much next time. I love you.
You can easily apply these same steps to any video type of your choosing.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.